Just understand the simple question. The upper hanging pillars in the process of cave formation in limestone topography is called. So it is stalactite. Limestone topography means karst topography. Next question. That is, which one of the following is the cause for supersaturation of the air? So for that you have to understand the latent heat. Okay. So the answer is mixing of air due to turbulence. Then question 153, it's simply you just have to match the columns with each other. So Woolridge have written Spirit and Purpose of Geography. Thornbury have written Principles of Geomorphology. Richard have written Fundamentals of Geomorphology. So it is CABD. Here it is the correct option, that is third one. Next question is the ratio of amount of water vapor actually present in the air having definite volume and temperature to its maximum is called, so it is called mixing ratio. So as you already know, what is absolute humidity? That is actually present in the air. Relative humidity, that is the ratio of the weight of the water vapor upon the per unit volume of dry air. Okay. Specific humidity, mass of water vapor. So you just have to remember, you will automatically clear this. And mixing, that is the ratio of amount of water vapor actually present in the air having definite volume and temperature. Then question number 155, which one of the following average temperature of sea water is favorable for the formation of coral reefs? So it is 23 to 29 degrees Celsius. So I am not understanding which option is correct. So it is in doubt. Then question number 156, you have to arrange the following. So it is continental shelf, continental slope, ocean basin and ocean deep. Third one is the correct option. Then question number 157, in which you have to describe about the outwash plains. So outwash plains, these are the depositional landforms made by the water. Then the age of rocks in the oceanic crust is nowhere more than 200 million years old. Then question number 159, which of the following tectonic plate is located between Central America and Pacific Ocean? That is, again you have to remember the theory. So it is Cocos plate. So you just have to remember the plate tectonic theory. Then question number 160, which one of the following landforms is made in the form of fan at the lower margins of the mountain? So it is alluvial fan, that you all may know. Which one of the following years the USA banned the use of CFCs in aerosol sprays? So it is 1978. Then question number 162, which one of the following element isotope is widely used to study climatic change? So that is oxygen. Then which one of the following description is correct for the second letter used in Köppen's world classification? Köppen's world classification is very important. At least 2 or 3 questions steadily asked from the Köppen's climatic classification. So it is based on precipitation pattern. Then which one of the following, question number 164, which one of the following description is correct for AW? So AW describes about the tropical dry season in India. So it is tropical savanna. Okay, tropical savanna. Answer is 4th. Question number 165, which says about which one of the following exposures is in favor of luxuriant vegetation of a richer diversity. So luxuriant vegetation can be seen in steep slope. Then question number 166, which one of the following degrees of shadow of a vertical pole would be observed on March 21st noon at Tropic of Cancer? So it is 0 degree. Okay. Then 167, who among the following has postulated the subsistence theory? Again, it is a direct question, that is Darwin. So you have to remember each and every theory. Just remember the index. For this, you just have to remember the index of the Savinder Singh's physical geography. Just remember that index. So at least you maybe know about which topic, which question is coming from which topic, if you revise that index once. Then question number 169, you again have to match the list. So Ardkunde, that was a very famous book written by Carl Ritter. Then Cosmos, again very famous book that was written by Alexander von Humboldt. Again, Anthropogeography is very important, that was written by Frederick Redzel. Then Methodology of Geography, that was written by the left out, that is Hettner. So it is, third option is totally correct. Then salinity is expressed in the amount of, you have to remember that salinity can be expressed in per 1000 grams of water. Okay, amount of salt in per 1000 grams of water. So it is just like a percent, but here it is having 2 zeros. Then which one of the following ocean current is cold water current? So you have to remember Canaries, that is again a cold current, but here you have to mention, you just have to find out Kuroshio is a warm current, South Equatorial is a warm current, Alaska is a warm current. You have to remember that, cold and hot current, warm current. Then Guyot, ocean relief feature is developed on, Guyot is basically developed on a abyssal plains or basin areas. So it is, third option is correct. Question number 173. The process of photosynthesis takes place in which of the biological cycle? So it takes place in the carbon cycle. Photosynthesis. Okay. Then photosynthesis, basically the plants absorb sunlight and then they produce oxygen. Okay, and that automatically goes inside the human when they eat it. So they just exhale the carbon dioxide. Then next is 174. Which one of the following regions in the world has the richest biodiversity? So it is none other than first option, that is tropical rainforest. Then question is, what percentage of water of the world is in the form of ice? So it is 2.05. Which one of the following process of atmospheric water initiate hydrological cycle? So it is evaporation. It is, the question is about initial process. Okay, so first initial process, that is evaporation of water cycle. Then Zaskar Mountain